is our GenStone project. We went with the white brick panels and corner pieces. Pretty easy to install. Most everything was a straight cut around the TV box and the fireplace, recessed fireplace. We used a table saw just to keep all the edges nice and crisp and sharp, even though it was going to be trimmed out, just made for easier install. And fairly easy to install, just use sheetrock screws. The backer on here is a 1/2-inch plywood. It's just screwed right in, no problems. A little bit of caulk at some of the seams, and you can't tell that it's a faux finish. Project came out great. Highly recommend GenStone. Their customer service is second to none, and couldn't be happier. All of our neighbors are jealous. Great job, GenStone. Thank you.